Woman teacher. Hi friends. Welcome to today's English vocabulary session. Iroju Manam 10 English words Narkukundam witty meanings English lo, Telugu lo, Mariyu examples to Kalisi. Slide 2. Accent. This word is accent, meaning in English, a distinctive way of pronouncing a language. Telugu lo anti, Ukarana Sally. Right finger example, she spoke English with a British accent. Kalamandiki British accent anti-istam, kada. Slide 3. Acceptance. The next word is acceptance, meaning in English, the act of agreeing or receiving something. Telugu lo, amodam. Right finger example, his acceptance of the award was heartfelt. Award tisukuntu oka dam emotional aipoyadu. Slide 4. Accessible. Word number 3, accessible. Meaning in English, easy to approach or reach. Telugu meaning, sulabhanga serukogaligedi. Right finger example, this website is accessible to all users. Anti. Avadaina easyga use seku annamata. Slide 5. Accept. Next word is accept. English meaning, to receive or agree to something. Telugu lo, engikarinku, swikarinku. Right finger example, I accept your apology. Anti ni sorry nenanka angikaristana, annamata. Slide 6. Accelerate. The word is accelerate, meaning, to increase speed. Telugu. Veganni penkadam. Right finger example, the car started to accelerate. Anti-car full speed low bailudarandi. Slide 7. Accession. Seventh word, accession. Meaning, the act of attaining a position or joining an agreement. Telugu. Adhikaram loki vaksavedu, seridam. Right finger example, his accession to the throne was celebrated. Raju Ayinappudu Peda celebration Cesaru. Slide 8. Access. Next is access, meaning, the ability to enter or use something. Telugu lo, pravesam upayogam. Right finger example, I don't have access to the database. Anti-database ki naku permission lenu annamata. Slide 9. Acceleration. Now the word is acceleration, meaning, the process of speeding up. Telugu. Vegavintam seyadam. Right finger example, the acceleration of the vehicle was smooth. Gamaninkara. Idi accelerate anna padaniki noun form. Slide 10. Acceptable. Word number 9, acceptable. Meaning, something that is good enough or allowed. Telugu meaning, engikarayoghyamena. Right finger example, your behavior is not acceptable here. Anti ni ettiti pravartana ikkada permit kadu annamata. Slide 11. Exceed. And the last word, exceed. Meaning, to agree to a request or demand. Telugu, engikarinku oppukovidam. Right finger example, he finally acceded to their request. Sivariki Vala Mata Vini Oppukunnadu. Closing slide. Great job, friends. I've Manam Iroju Narkukunna 10 words. Marusati vocabulary session lo inkoni kotta padalato kalidam. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking.